What's up, YouTube? We back in this thing with another video. And man, I know it's been a while. But like I said, I'm back. I got a couple things I'm working on. I ain't did no work on nothing in a while. Cause I just it been hot here in Dallas. So I ain't really worked on nothing in a while. Now when I say hot, I'm talking about hot, super hot. And it's hard that make it hard for me to go work on my truck. And it even make it hard for me to try to work on the bike too, which I ain't really had nothing major to do to the bike. But the truck, I had work to do on it, but I ain't mess with it because, like I said, it's been too hot, so I ain't really mess with it. So, but today we're gonna do a little work. I got some stuff to do, so we're gonna get a little work done. So that's what we're about to try to do right now. Got a few things to do. Got some packages over here. I ain't did no boxing or none of that, but I got some packages for the truck. So right there, I got this is for the truck right here. This is for the truck, and even that right there for the truck, the other box. And I'll show y'all what that is. I've been had it sitting here for a while, but I'll show you what it is here. Probably in another video, not today. But I actually got to take this up to the unit where the truck at. I got to get it up there. So I got to get that up there so I can show y'all what that is and what that's about. But for now, I got something else to do, so I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm about to get into. On this other thing I gotta get working on. I ain't done nothing, but it needed to be done. So about to get going, about to get working on this. So let me show y'all what's up. So let me just show y'all real quick. So real quick. Now y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all hit the especially hit that subscribe button for me, so we can get to run these subscribers up. Y'all like, share, comment, all that good stuff. We're trying to run this channel up. We're gonna show y'all my progress on my truck, and then I show y'all what I'm working on the bike, stuff I'm doing with that. So let me show you real quick. Alright, so right here, this is my front tire on my bike. And I don't know if y'all can see this, but this thing is dingy. When I first I bought the wheel and tire together from one of my buddies. He sold it to me fairly cheap, so I bought it. I wanted something on there besides what I had, and I like the look of it. But that white wall, when I bought it from him, it was dingy. I did a hell of a job trying to clean it. Still couldn't really get it clean. I tried bleach whites, all kind of stuff. Ain't nothing getting that tire clean. So I had to do the next best thing. So this is what we got, y'all. We got a new one. I tried. Couldn't get it clean. So I bought a new tire. So I need to get the old tire. I need to take the wheel off the bike. So I got to take the wheel off the bike, and then once I take the wheel off, I'm gonna try to get this wheel, the rim itself, cleaned up really good, spokes clean, get it flicking. I need this thing shining, need this thing hitting. So we're gonna try to get that hitting so it could be all shined up. And I'm trying to get it ready for the trip I'm taking to Galveston. So I'm riding the bike. So I was out there last year, and man, look, them boys, white walls was hit. My shit looked like trash. They shit was hit. So that's what we about to do today. So I'm about to get my jack from over in the corner. The tire not going on today, but it is going on. But I just got to get the jack out the corner, and we're gonna go from there. So this is just some tools right here. But that's my jack right here for that. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to move this, and then we're about to get started on jacking the bike up and taking the tire off real quick. So like I said, we got to get that wheel clean, then we got to get the new tire installed. I'm debating on getting a white wall for the back. I just got a black wall tire, so I'm debating. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a white wall. Not for certain, but I think I am. Just, for the aesthetic of it. I gotta in another video, I'm gonna take these tweeters out and install some new ones. I got some new ones. I blew these out because they didn't come with resistors, but we'll talk about that in the other video when I get ready to install these. And what else I gotta do? I gotta order a oil pressure switch, which is right here where my finger is, right here. So I gotta take this one off, put a new one on there, and I'm gonna change all the oil in the whole bike. I got the oil over here, all right there, the mobile one. So I'm gonna change. I gotta get a new filter, but I'm gonna get all the oil changed. That's gonna be the oil, the primary, the transmission, all that. I'm getting it all done. So I just gotta get that, and I got a few weeks to do all this. I'm just starting on it now, so I won't be on crunch time. I gotta also put a chain on a bike too before I get out of town. So I gotta order that for one of my club sister for her bike. I gotta get that so I can put a chain on her bike, and then that's gonna be that on that. And everybody else, they pretty much getting their bikes ready because we're supposed to be riding this thing to Galveston for the LoneStar. So, alright, so let me got the jet right here, so I'm about to jet the bike up, and then need to go get my key for my LoneStar going out. So let me get this bike jacked up right quick, and I'm gonna show y'all right quick. So I got it jacked up. I just wanted to get the wheel off the ground. It's off the ground. So basically so what I gotta do, I gotta loosen this bolt. I loosen those two. Over here, I gotta take this nut off. Right here, gotta take the nut off on the other side. This axle is and then I'm gonna slide the axle out, and got spacers, but everything will drop down. Jack the bike up higher, get the wheel out, and then it'll be off. So let me start taking this off right here so we can get going, and I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Alright, I've got one rotor off. So I'm about to flip it over, get the other rotor off. Of course I'm gonna clean this up, clean all that up around there, and that way I can really clean this rim up, because this thing is in bad shape. So about to wait a minute, I'm screwing up. That's where the problem came in at. Oh no, okay, so this thing got different screws in each side. So this side got chrome hex head, which is Allen, and then this side got not chrome stars. So see if I got that size right here for that one. See if I got this side. That's a little bit. Got some up in here. I got some more, but gotta find them over there. That's crazy. They done did me like that. I didn't know I had two different ones. Got a set of little Allens right here too. I don't know none of these. This one might fit right here. No, too big. Perfecto. Yeah, we got the one. It's a T40. So, all right, let me pop this side out real quick. All right, so as you can see, got the tension thing that hold right here to hold it tight. I got that off. I got the axle out. Wheel can come out. I don't take both of my brake calipers off. I left that one on. I just took one off because it'll still come out. So what's the purpose in taking both of them off when I could just take one off? So got the wheel off, and yeah, so got it off. I'm gonna get the wheel clean, and I got little waves in my tires, so definitely gonna get the tire off, get the new tire put on right there. So got the tire off. So I'm gonna take the Allen heads off, so I can take the calipers out, the rotors off, so I can get straight to the wheel and clean this thing. I'm gonna try to clean this thing up really good, especially right in here where it's super nasty at, like right down there. I'm gonna try to get that cleaned up, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna let this bike down because I got it jacked up super high, so I'm gonna let it down, and that's it for today. Got my axle right there, got the axle off. So like I said, we're gonna put this thing down, leave it sitting, and then we're gonna I'm gonna take it, get the new tire put on, get the wheel clean, and then we're gonna go from there. So that's where we at. All right, y'all like, share, subscribe, and get at me in another one, in the next one. All right, peace out.